Okay, so last week it wasn't bad, honestly. I made 710 trading options and $2,680 trading stocks. Total together around should be around 3,300. Not a bad week, but let me walk you through each of these trades. So on Monday, I entered DRAM stocks. I entered, let me go to the 4-hour time frame first. So you guys see the level of support and resistance right here, right? Previous resistance, it break to come back. Now previous resistance become support. So now it's 1 time support, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. So it's a good level of support, right? Same thing as here, it's a good level of resistance. 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, pretty much 4 times. So when the price came to this level, I just entered. But when I entered, followed by my rule PO3 and out of range breakout, right? So price opened crazy. So the bias was short. So at the time, you guys already know what my bias is, right? The 7 a.m. candles, the 7 a.m. morning when the candle opens, this is the this is the time that I'm looking for. From 3 to 7 is this candle. Just to show you. So from 3 to 7 is this candle right here, right? So the bias is kind of short. And the new candle opened at 7 a.m. So this time, oopsie. So this time, right? Boom. This is the 7 a.m. Central Time. The new candle opened. Price went down, come back above this level, above the PO3 right here, and I entered right here for long. Of course, price went down, 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 down like crazy, and then opened after hours to this level. And I just sold it around right here at this level. And why I sold it is just because of the previous low, yesterday's previous low, almost. So I sold it. It's uh, that was around like 2000, something like that. And then I re-enter the trade again. So again, I went to 4-hour looking for that candle, 3 a.m. to 7, this one, right? It's green, opened higher, so I'm going to go long only. And went to 1 minute, marked the 7 a.m., which is this guy right here, right? This price, which this line. 7 a.m. Boom, boom, boom. This right here, right? So the market open, went below the ORB level, when come back to my opening range, and the moment I see it's coming back, doing the higher high, higher lows, I entered around right here at this area. I entered here and I closed it immediately after this big candle. And that just said, like this one candle, it was just $300. So that's the second trade. So I made around 2,600 here, 3,000 here. It's around the 3K for both of these trades. Okay, Wednesday I shorted the market. I shorted the Nasdaq for 420. Again, same principle, but this one's slightly different. So I went to 4-hour time frame and was looking for my candle, which this guy right here, right? Opened high, but it's still red. But look what's going on around this area. It's pretty much level of resistance, right? So one time, two times, three times. Do I want to go higher? Of course, if you break this and do the retest and then going back, I mean, do the pullback and then go higher, I would consider going high. I mean, going long. But then I went to 1 minute chart, see what happened at 7 a.m. with the new candle open. The new candle opened around this area. It went up. Look at this candle, right? This is a huge one. It break the 4-hour candle. It came back, another red candle. So both of these two, this area was broken, right? So the 4-hour was broken. My out of opening range breakout was broken. So I was like, okay, short only. I wanted to go here, but it went so fast it didn't let me even enter. It went come back again. All of these, I didn't go. I didn't go. I missed all of these. And finally, I entered at this one right here at 9:35. I went this and I just captured this one candle. I mean, not even all of it, honestly. It's just half of this candle because it was so big. And just this one candle, it was what? How much was it? That's 420. Just one candle, it's just 420. I wish I could, capture most of that, but that's what I'm looking for. That's all I want. 420, 300, 400, doesn't matter. Uh, Let me go to the next one. So last trade again was Nasdaq. I'm sorry, I didn't make any trade on Thursday. Was it Thursday? Yeah, Thursday I did not make any trades. So on Thursday, I did the same. I know it's boring. I'm repeating myself again and again, but just have some rules I need to follow. So same candle, open solo, but it's also green. So let's see what happens. So far, the bias is to go short. Now I went to 1 minute candle again and marked my 7 a.m. right? The new candle. 7 a.m. This candle opened right at 7 a.m. right here. That's the opening of the new candle. So the new candle opened and the price went up and then went down all the way to the 15 minutes ORB and then went all the way back up. So I could go long here as soon as I saw it breaks my ORB followed by this 4 hours opening candle, but I didn't. And the only reason I didn't because of this level right here. It was like, are they gonna touch the pre-market and then come back down? So I waited. I waited, and when as soon as they hit this level and I see that they are struggling, I went short. I went short, and then I was like, if this level breaks, if it goes around this area, I just go out. I stepped out. So I hold it. I entered around, I guess this right here. Went down, then went come back up. I wasn't lost a little bit, and then it went all the way back down, and I sold it right here before it touched this level. Oh, look at that, it went all the way back up. But I sold it around right here, entered here, stop loss just right here in this area, and captured these couple of moves, and that's a gain of I don't know, it's like a $300 or something, and that's the last trade. By the way, guys, if you want to see me live trading, just go watch the shorts on YouTube. I posted all of the live trading over there. See you next week.